Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Canva and Figma, two of the most popular design platforms out there. I'll walk you through their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear sense of which one fits your creative needs best. And after watching this video, if you decide to go with Canva, check out the link I've added in the description. If you use that link, you'll get access to a premium course and some great Notion templates all for free just through my link. Now let's get started. First off, let's break down what each tool is really built for. Canva is a versatile design platform that makes creating social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials incredibly easy. It's made for people of all skill levels, from total beginners to busy marketers, with a heavy focus on templates and drag and drop tools. On the other hand, Figma is a collaborative design tool mainly aimed at UI and UX designers. It's known for real-time team collaboration, vector editing, and prototyping, making it a favorite among product teams and developers. Next, let's talk about features. Canva gives you tons of ready-made templates, stock images, videos, and even some cool AI design tools. You can make social posts, flyers, videos, and even websites all in one place. It's super easy to use, which is great if you want professional-looking designs without needing any design experience. On the other hand, Figma has advanced tools like vector networks, constraints, components, and prototyping features. It's perfect for teams working together on detailed designs. Everyone can edit in real time, and it makes handing off designs to developers rather simple. So if you're a solo creator or marketer, Canva has everything you need. But if you're on a design or product team, Figma's tools are made for collaboration and more complex projects. Now let's talk about the user experience. Canva is super easy to use. The interface is clean and guides you step by step. It's mostly drag and drop, so you can create great looking designs quickly. Even if you've never used design tools before, Canva makes it simple and gives you confidence. Figma, on the other hand, does take a bit more time to learn, especially if you're new to design software. But once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly powerful and perfect for teams working on digital projects. Its real-time collaboration features are some of the best, letting teams work together, comment, and update instantly. Now let's move into integrations. Canva works smoothly with social media platforms, cloud storage, and marketing tools, which is great for content creators who need to publish or share designs quickly. Figma connects really well with tools like Jira, Slack, and GitHub. It's perfect for teams because it makes the design to development process smooth. Plus, Figma has a strong plugin community that adds more functionality. Now let's cover pricing. Canva has three options. Canva Free is free. Canva Pro costs $6.50 per month for one person, and Canva Teams cost $5 per user per month for teams of 3 or more. Figma also offers a free starter plan, a professional plan at $16 per user per month, an organization plan at $55 per user per month, and an enterprise plan at $90 per user per month. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform to create social media graphics, presentations, or marketing content, Canva is the clear winner. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and packed with templates. But if you're part of a product design team, or you need advanced collaboration and prototyping tools, Figma, definitely the way to go. It's more expensive, but it delivers the power and flexibility serious designers need. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.